And today is Monday, June 16th, 2025. We're overlooking the St. James station here in St. James, New York on the Long Island Railroad's Port Jefferson branch. We're seeing train 658 from Hunters Point Avenue to Port Jefferson depart, as it will be passing by here. 658 used to be one of the two dual modes that ran from Penn Station to Port Jefferson. 658 is now a Hunters Point Avenue to Port Jefferson train. And we have a K5 LLA chime on this engine. And let's see what we have. It looks like we have the E30AC 423 leading 5 cars. And C3 cab car 5006 on the rear. Tonight we'll be seeing train 660 Penn Station to Port Jefferson. DM30AC 506 leading, 500 on the rear with 8 cars. And this was the same equipment that ran as train 3682 last night and 613 this morning. All right, time now 6:21. Train 660 is just arriving into St. James Station now. DM30AC 506 to lead at 500 on the rear with 8 cars. And 500 on the rear. All right, so right here is my replacement body to my original T4i that broke. So I'm now back to taking photos again. And why I opted to stick with the same body was because I had pretty much a lot of success with what I had. Why change it when I could just use the same one and buy it? The camera itself was in very good condition, so just bought the body and here we are today.